This is one of the easiest, cheapest, most delicious ground beef recipes you will ever make up. It is simply a matter of grabbing up a few ingredients, frying up the beef, pouring the sauce over, and serving it up over rice. The outcome is a meal you and your family will come back to time after time and never forget. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, let's begin by making our super delicious sauce by adding a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce to a measuring cup. I said low sodium because I'm trying to watch my sodium, but you can use the regular stuff. Followed by 3 tablespoons of Hoisin Sauce, and I just love Hoisin Sauce. It gives that rich, deep flavor. And you buy a bottle of it and it lasts forever, therefore it's economical. And last but not least, a 1/4 cup of sugar. Isn't that simple, guys? So easy to make. Grab up a spoon and give everything a good stir, and we'll just set this aside for a few minutes. Next up, throw in an LB or half a kilo of medium ground beef, and you want about that 80-20 fat mixture somewhere in there. And I swear, I really do swear, if you buy it at Walmart or No Frills or something like that, they put something else in. I don't know whether it's water or whatever, but you end up with a god-awful mess and have to drain it. But we are focusing on economics, okay, so we'll just kind of break this down and let it fry up over medium-high heat. So this is going to take you about 5 minutes, so just stir and relax, read a book, sing a song, you know, that type of thing. After our ground beef is all freed up, I'm going to add in a good tablespoon of a garlic ginger combo, and it's minced. You can also do it separately chopped if you want. So 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. Give it a stir until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. And yes, you could add some chopped onions too if you're so inclined, but we are going to add green onions later. Now and only now, pour in that delicious sauce that's ever been so patiently waiting on the sideline. And of course, stirring once again until that beef is completely coated with the sauce. So we're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes until it comes to a boil. After a boil, we're going to pour in a slurry consisting of a 1/4 cup of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just to kind of thicken things up. Of course, once again, a stirring we will go until things do indeed thicken up. Of course, once things do thicken up, I'm going to pepper to taste, about a teaspoon. You don't need salt because there's lots of sodium in that soy sauce anyway. Okay, remember I said green onions, so we're going to add in 2 green onions that I've cut into about, 2-inch pieces. Stir them around that gorgeous looking and smelling mixture. Now, an interesting fact here that this dish did originate in Mongolia, and Mongolia is not a rich country, so you can pretty well bank on it being an economical dish. Once those green onions are pretty much heated through, but not wilted, you are pretty much done dead. And just look at this, my friends. So simple, so easy, but nevertheless, so delicious. So we are going to serve this up over some rice, and yes, shh, Uncle Ben's in the package works completely fine, or you can also use that inexpensive rice bowl stuff you can get at the supermarket. But you know, I didn't say that. It came from Dave the Economist. So there it be, my friends. The cheapest, easiest, most delicious 1-bowl ground beef mixture over rice you will ever make. Guaranteed, because I would not lie to you. And it's so weird because you bite into this and that simple soy hoisin sugar sauce combined with that garlic and ginger just makes your palate dance. Simply a midweek special and a must make, and if you do make it, let me know what you think in the description section below. And like I say in every video, guys, if you do like what you saw, give us a like because it really does help us out. Even a comment is great too. And if you're so inclined, subscribe.